The Windows Update error 0x800f0831 when trying to install KB5058499 on Windows 11 typically indicates a missing update dependency or corrupted update files. Here's how you can fix it step by step. Fix update KB5058499 not installing error 0x800f0831. 8. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings System Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update, click Run. Follow the prompts and restart your PC. 2. Check for Missing Servicing Stack Update (SSU). Some cumulative updates depend on the latest SSU, Servicing Stack Update. Go to Microsoft Update Catalog. Search for KB5058499, check if it requires a specific SSU e.g. KB5032190 or similar. Download and manually install the required SSU first. 3. Manually install KB5058499. Visit Microsoft Update Catalog. Search for KB5058499. Download the correct version, ARM64x64, for your system. Run the .msu file to install manually. Enable .NET Framework, if disabled. Sometimes updates rely on .NET Framework being enabled. Go to Control Panel Programs, turn Windows features on or off. Ensure that .NET Framework 3.5, .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services are both checked. Click OK and reboot. 11. Use the Windows Update Assistant. You can force the update using the Update Assistant. Visit https://www.microsoft.com/software-download/wndowns11. Click Update now. Run the Update Assistant tool and follow the instructions. 12. Temporarily disable antivirus firewall. Third-party antivirus or Windows firewall can interfere with update downloads and installations. Temporarily disable your antivirus. Also try turning off Windows Defender firewall from Control Panel. Retry the update. 13. Check system date and time. Incorrect system date time can block Windows updates. Go to Settings Time Language Date Time. Enable Set Time automatically. Also enable Set Time Zone automatically. Restart the system. 14. Check disk space. Cumulative updates require free space to unpack. Ensure you have at least 20-25 GB of free space on the system C drive. Use disk cleanup or storage sense to free up space. 15. Use Windows Update Mini Tool, Advanced Users. A third-party utility like Windows Update Mini Tool can help force install updates, including failed ones. Use with caution and only if you are comfortable with manual update controls.